Here at Redlands High School and Middle School, we have an example of how centrally locating SureFi controller interfaces can be extremely beneficial. Keith from Automated Gates is here to tell us a little bit about it.
We have 4 SureFi products, weekend products, that are sharing between 2 at the high school and 2 at the middle school. They control door schedules, open and close. Logistically, we didn't and could not afford to trench and run control wire, because we're probably talking a couple thousand feet. So it's strictly a cost factor, and it's been working fabulously. The head units are installed in the IT closet inside the high school with the gates out, 2 gates at the high school unit, entry and exit, 2 gates at the middle school, entry and exit. A SureFi product to install, probably worst case, would be maybe an hour. That's worst case. I would say it's probably should be about half of that, in my opinion.
For reference, in green is where the hub for the controller interfaces are located, and in blue is where the remote interfaces are located on each individual gate on their respective properties.